Our I-Team is digging deeper into the legal past of Jaguar Dante Fowler following his arrest earlier this week in St. Petersburg. It brought to light another arrest that did not previously been public knowledge. We've also uncovered that Fowler has a lengthy history of traffic infractions around the state, but never a license suspension. The I-Team's Chris Parento is joining us live with more on these traffic tickets and why it did not result in points. Chris?
Tom, yesterday we told you that in the last couple of years, Dante Fowler had at least 10 traffic tickets. It turns out that number is even higher, according to the Florida Department of Motor Vehicles. 16 since the start of 2015. That year, Fowler got 1 ticket in Santa Rosa County, 1 ticket in Duval County, and 2 tickets in Marion County. One of those was for going 99 miles an hour in a 70-mile-an-hour zone. In 2016, he got 8 different tickets. 1 in Brevard County, 1 in Duval County for doing 98 miles an hour in a 55-mile-an-hour zone, and 2 in Alachua County, 1 for going 99 in a 70. He also had 1 more in Marion County. This year, Fowler already has 4 tickets, one of them in Polk County for going 90 in a 75-mile-an-hour zone, another in Bradford County where he was stopped for going 86 in a 45-mile-an-hour zone, and 2 in Pinellas County. In total, though, these 16 infractions have only resulted in 17 points on Fowler's license. These are only some of the citations given to Dante Fowler Jr. over the past couple of years. In Florida, a license can be suspended for 30 days if a driver gets 12 points in a 12-month period. At one point, Fowler had 11 points, but he never hit 12, and his license was never suspended. In 10 cases, adjudication was withheld, and no points were given. Attorney Mitch Stone says that is not uncommon for people who take a traffic ticket to court.
A lot of times they walk away, and there's a resolution that doesn't end up in points on their record, which is very well the goal in mind.
We're also learning more about what he could be facing after his arrest in Pinellas County Tuesday night for 2 misdemeanors. Because Fowler had previously entered a pretrial diversion program for a March 2016 arrest in Miami Beach, Stone says that may not be an option this time.
Prosecutors could easily say he's already got that 1 shot, he's not getting it again. In that event, then they have to decide that it's worthy of prosecution. There's no hard and fast rule that says you can't possibly get it.
I was told this afternoon by the clerk of courts in Pinellas County that at this point, no court date has been set for Dante Fowler on his misdemeanor charges. The woman I spoke to told me that would be up to prosecutors to decide when that will happen. Tom?
Thank you, Chris. Chris's findings come on the heels of a recent I-Team investigation we called Privileged. Back in May, Lindsey Gardner exposed former NFL player and former Florida Gator Jabbar Gaffney racked up nearly 50 driving infractions, mainly here in Florida, but continues to drive legally. That's because county courts, particularly Duval County judges, are withholding a ruling of guilt, therefore not adding points to his driving record.